And here's your host, Mr. J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Simon, and you're tuned to Island Riddims. Keep it
Rocksteady, I'm a baby. Rock it, everybody. Hey, take it right back and sing. You were my very first girl. I love you more than anything in this whole world. See, why did you leave me to cry? Oh, my baby. At times that I pass you by, you could see teardrops rolling down my eyes. Say, why did you leave me to cry? Baby, why? I wanted you to be my bride, and forever you would stay by my side. Sing it! Why did you cry? No, I'm so lonely. Oh, now I'm so all alone. I've got no one to call my very own. Say, why did you leave me to cry? I know there's a lot of Americans in the place right now. All Jamaicans, make some noise! I know we love every nation in the world. All Americans, make some noise! Why not? Now I'm gonna do a little piece of this song, but from way back when, from way back where I came from. And I know you all know this song. Listen to this. When I'm alone and I need someone to talk to, I talk to your picture. Special Mother's Day. So pass me a pencil and paper, write all the things I want to say, all the things we used to say before. The way that it looks, read all about it, sugar and spice. This would make me feel kinda nice. Write another letter to myself. Write another letter to myself. I write another letter to myself. Oh, and I write and I write and I write. Live, come on. We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live. On this special Mother's Day, let it scream. Baby, be true, and I'll give the world to you. Hey, are you ready now? Tell me, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Now, baby, be true, and I'll give the world to you. la 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 la. More time. La 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 la. I see ya. I see ya. You're one of the most beautiful ladies in Miami.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Love Fest. It's another fun-filled day with Island Riddims, and of course, hanging out with us is none other than friend of the show, family, my sweetheart, Leroy Sibbles. Welcome.
Welcome, my lady, and it's so nice to be here. You're so beautiful, as usual.
You know, this is why I like hanging out with Leroy, because he calls me all these pet names, and he makes me feel really good.
She is good, I'm telling you. Looks good, huh? I'm telling you, you are the highlight of this program. That's why they watch your TV.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Leroy. Of course, we all know that Leroy has been in the business for a very, very long time. Very long time. About how long, for the people that don't know?
Like about 40 years.
40 years. Yes, sir. And still counting. And still counting. Of course, we look forward to a fun-filled evening, and we're going to see him perform, and we're going to bring that to you right here at the Crucian Amphitheater in West Palm Beach. We're going to have a beautiful evening, and Leroy is going to ensure that you're looking really dapper in your white linen this evening.
You're looking beautiful yourself.
I can't get enough of those compliments.
Don't we look good together?
Now, Leroy, I know that you've sung a lot of the songs. Tell the people about the background behind the music, about your writing, about some of the things that you've done.
Oh, well, a lot of people know that I'm a singer, right? I sing, but a lot of people don't know that I was the backbone after Jackie Me2 left for the Studio One arrangement and bass playing. Playing songs like for John Holt, Ken Booth, Alton Ellis. Most of those albums, Studio One albums, Leroy played the bass line. I'm telling you. Yeah, the very first album that Dennis Brown did, No Man is an Island, that's one of the best albums out there. From Studio One.
I agree.
Leroy Sibbles bass line. So, and that's the musical youths, Pass the Dutchie, the Kochi, that's one of my original songs. I made that, it was an instrumental song I made called Full Up. And because of my kind of bass lines, whenever I do songs, the bass lines are so great that people always do them, redo them, and sing on them, and they hit. I am involved in so many different individual singers' career because of my bass lines in Jamaica. And I gotta be saying this now because it's not written so much, you know?
It's not, and a lot of people know that you have a beautiful voice, a gorgeous voice.
Yes.
Not to mention you look good, but a lot of people don't know that behind the music that you have actually taken part in a lot of arrangements.
Exactly.
And so, just because of culture and tradition, I think that's an important part for people also to know that just because somebody is performing and singing doesn't necessarily mean that they're not involved in the arrangement of the music. So, because of this, we need to, because this is, you know, not out there, we need to get that out there to the public so people could know you're multi-talented. You're not just on stage, but you're in, you play a part, a big role.
Songs like Pass the Kochi, Pass the Dutchie, song like Sata Masagana, which is one of the, you know Sata Masagana.
Of course,
everybody knows
knows
who knows reggae music knows Sata Masagana. I am the bass man and arranger on that. All them beautiful horn section are mine. You know, songs like Declaration of Rights, songs like, you know, oh man, it goes on and on and on.
On and on and on.
I'm telling you. And then, you know, the problem with Jamaica music, musicians were not credited for these kind of works. You know, no one knows who play what. You know, they just know that the music is there. They love the music, great music. But who are the people who does this?
Who are the people behind that great music and the music that we so enjoy and the music that makes not just the Jamaica but the world a part of Jamaican history, because reggae is huge.
A lot of my bass lines are contributed to Barry Ammon's career. You know, Buju Banton, you know, to give a few names, you know, because these people redo the stuff and sing on them, you know. People like Sugar Minot,
There's so much people, but
and the list goes on and on and on and on.
Exactly.
And ladies and gentlemen, we look so forward to bringing you more of Love Fest and more of Mr. Sibbles. So stick and stay, and Island Riddims will be right back with you.
Island Riddims, #1. Watch we are the best.
Sing us to what you're high. Now we're there. Lord, Lord, Lord of mercy. Sing and sing and I'm playing on the party. Yes. Isn't it strange how princesses and kings allow just papers in sawdust rings? Just one common people like you and me will be built up from eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shamelessness in the book of rules. Now each must make their life as flowing, a stumbling block or a stepping stone. I say, common people like you and me will be built up from eternity. Each was given a bag of tools, shamelessness in the book of rules. And a power, 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 when the rain comes falling from the sky, I know the sun will be only missing for a while. I say, common people like you and me will be built back for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shamelessness in the book of rules. And a power, 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 power. The amount of people will sing all, the amount of people sing on this rhythm. This rhythm I make the version of reggae business. Hear about reggae, that's the original, and they say, play the version. And everything I call version to come in. See? Them show you have lick over and lick over and over and over. Till I look at youth, them in England called musical youth. Remember them youth there? Them couldn't sing about coaches, so them sing about the Dutch. No, hear what me say when me hear all of them things. I didn't know what I was doing when I made this one. I didn't know one rhythm could I last so long. Lord, come hear this. Mighty them and Holy Ghost, and everything and everything you want. From my end to the Almighty, who gave me the original things. I never make much money from this one, but I still feel good. Cause every time I saw my swing up, we were simply sing your name. I never make much money from this one, but I still feel good. Cause every time I saw my swing up, we were simply sing your name. You wanna see another sound pack up? Play the country rhythm and just ring. Wanna see another sound dead? Fly the country rhythm on the rain. I think I make no money from this one, but I still feel good. Every time I saw my string up, you I simply sing your name. What we say? And we say, pass the country bandit. Pass the country bandit. It can't be fun. Ganja we can't burn. And we say, pass the country bandit. Pass the country bandit. It can't be fun. Ganja we can't burn. But she was too young to fall in love. I was too young to know. It never will ever happen again. Oh, I hear feeling, and I think of that night. Oh, star shone so bright. Yes, indeed, we fell in love. She was too young to fall in love. I was too young to know. She was too young to fall in love. I was too young. Yes! Saw you outside my room. I started to cry. I said I wanna talk to you, girl, for a while. But before I make my move, good girl, I see my talking time. Sing la 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 la. I sing it again. Sing la 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 la. Hey girl, listen. Girl, I'm gonna make you straight. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry loud, I'm gonna push it to itself. Sing la 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 la. I sing it again. La 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 la. Ladies, Mother's Day. Hey girls, long time no see. Do you have a little time to spend with me? I wanna know what's been going on in your life. Talk to me, baby. Your You know, I love you all so much. It's because of you why life. Mr. Marvin Gaye, before he passed away, he had a great thing to say. If he was here, he would say something like this. Now we're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand me, baby. And since we've got to live, oh, let's live. I love you. Sing there's nothing wrong with me loving you. No, no. And giving myself to you could never be wrong if your love is true. Good night, y'all. You take care of your loving son. I love you. I love you.
Thank you for watching Island Riddims with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Riddims.